Hi guys, just figured I was gonna make a video today because we're actually outside in the park. It's been raining like crazy here, but today it's gorgeous. I'm not feeling too well, but I came out anyway. There was a lot of drama yesterday and last night, so I went into the van for a while just to get away from people, and my stomach is a mess today. Usually when I'm super stressed or have something happen like that, it affects my insides, and I'm hoping that's what it is and that it'll go away soon. But of course I didn't get much sleep last night either, so that doesn't help any. So I just thought I would come out here and let the dogs get out too, so we can enjoy this gorgeous day, and hopefully today will be a better day. So, as you guys know, if you're on Patreon or looking at my videos recently, we have to come in from the back of the park because the park's actually closed. And I think the whole reason for that is because, there's a playground. When you first go into the park, there's an actual playground there, and they want to make sure that the kids aren't playing in the playground. And then past that is where you enter the dog park. But some of us still come because we realized there's another way to get here. Last time I was here with Summer and the baby, it was super muddy. Now it's dried up some, even though we still had the rain, but because we had a really soaking rain before. You're gonna make it, Buster. This is one of the big puddles left. Go this way. I'm thinking with a lot of people home, I probably should do a live stream at some point. Look at all these. Oh, I think I just saw a frog. Whenever my husband comes here with me, he looks for frogs right here. That's so peaceful. Oh, there's one of them. I think they left without me. Here she comes back to see if I'm still here. Let's go this way, guys. It's like a forest back there now that everything's growing off of the trail. Oh, I hope everybody's holding up pretty well through all this pandemic quarantine. I know lots of people are going crazy, especially when they have children at home. Like my daughters, her daughters are fighting all the time. And she was telling me about it. And I said, yep, that's what you and your brother did. Wanted to pull my hair out, thought I was gonna not be able to make it, but you just keep going. You just keep going. I still feel like that sometimes. Without the kids. Here comes Buster. He's usually always lagging. There you are. He's like me. He can't breathe well. I took him to the park down the street, you know, last night when we all got in the van and just kind of took off. For a walk on the leashes, and I thought I was gonna die. They just kept pulling me and walking, and it's like I can't walk fast anymore because of my emphysema. But you know, as I said before, one of the videos or Patreon or something, since we all got that sickness at the end of February, maybe it was, we all thought we were dying of the flu. Could have had the coronavirus, I don't know, but I just think if I did it, I probably still wouldn't be here. But anyway, ever since then, the shortness of breath got worse, and it never seemed to get better. Look at this, is like a weapon here on that tree. That's crazy. I wonder what kind of bird that is. I think my camera's on a different setting. I don't know, but the last time I took pictures, it came out super clear. I think my camera might have updated and the settings just changed. I was always trying to find a better setting for uploading YouTube videos because I thought I had it on the setting that everyone tells about when you're making videos, but it always seems like it gets grainy when I watch it. on the computer, you know? So, I don't know. On here, it looks super clear. We'll see when I upload it. I just tripped on a thing sticking up out of the ground. There's lots of these stumps and stuff. Roots growing to the ground. There's another one. I think that thing is the neatest thing. That tree with a big gap. Right there. Oh. There's a bird right on the other side of Bella. Hi. She keeps bumping into me. Colors so blue. Alright guys, let's walk down here. I think they might want to get a drink out of the stream. There's that huge puddle. This one dried up some. You couldn't even pass by here the other day. We're stepping in holes now. Ow. Hi, Ben. Look at his face. He loves it in there. Hi. Looks like somebody, sounds like somebody's chopping something on the other side. Well, I can see way back there. What you doing, Belle? Okay, there goes Buster in the water. Getting a drink. Maybe when he does that, we'll keep walking a little farther down. Because she's like sitting there looking like she just wants to jump. Yep, there she goes. Listen to those birds. I'm not going to put any music in this video because there's so many nature sounds, you know. I'd hate to put it on top of that. Guess he's ready. You ready, Buster? You get your drink? Yeah. Here he comes. Belle, what are you eating? Wow, this area dropped so low. What the heck is she eating? Belle, leave it. I don't even see anything. This area dropped so low they can just go right down in here now. Wow. The land changes so much over the years. Buster's all the way over there. What are you doing, Buster? He doesn't care. He's just leaving without me. Alright. Let's go get Buster, guys. What are you doing, Buster? You can't go down that way. Come on. Ready to go back? Ready to take a walk back? Alright, Buster. Come on. You want to go back? You want to turn around now? Because I got to pee. I got to pee. Ben! Where's Penny? Come on, Ben! Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Buster! Oh. There you are. There you are.